Alright everyone, in today's video I'm bringing you another way to unlock the pattern lock screen, and this time I'm going to teach you how to unlock the pattern password on your Samsung A13. Keep in mind that this procedure will erase everything stored in your phone's memory. In some cases, maybe in yours, you'll need to connect a USB cable to your computer. So try it both with and without the cable. So remove your SIM card, take out your memory card, and let's get started with the procedure. You can leave it on this screen or on the emergency screen, it doesn't matter. In a moment, I'll talk to you about the Google account, alright? Press the volume down button and the power button together. When it restarts, release the volume down and press the volume up. Let's go! Release the volume down, press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. Let's wait. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. Also leave your like because it really helps us out a lot, alright guys? Let's go, keep holding it. I want to remind you that this procedure will also work for other Samsung models, okay? You can do this same procedure on other devices as well, alright? As I mentioned, in a bit I'll tell you what you need to do to unlock the Google account on your phone in case you need it. On this screen we're going to scroll down to the fifth option where it says IP, Data, Factory Reset. Use the volume down button and confirm with the power button. On this next screen, scroll down again and confirm with the power button. On this screen, we're going to wait for the information to finish loading so we can continue with our unlocking process. Let's go. Just a few more seconds. Here on this screen, just confirm. At this point, your device is already being unlocked and it will restart without the screen lock password. All you need to do is set it up as usual and you'll have access to your device again. And as I mentioned, if you need to unlock your Google account, we can help you with that as well, even remotely if necessary. Our phone number will be in the video description. It doesn't matter where you're contacting us from, we can unlock your device no matter where you are. It doesn't matter, anywhere. If you genuinely need assistance, please do get in touch with me directly so that you can conveniently check the precise price for professionally unlocking your specific device. All you will essentially need for this process is a reliable computer, a suitable USB cable, and to simply download the AnyDesk application. If for any reason you do not currently have the application readily available, we will gladly send it to you as well, and we will then meticulously take care of all the remaining steps for you. That's all you need to do. You don't need to do anything else, alright? If this video has helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will be in the video description. And it doesn't matter how much, what's important is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you. That was today's video. Thanks, take care.